Fitness apps want $30 a month to track what you can track for free. This Notion workout tracker does everything those apps do, and it's completely yours to customize. Log exercises, track your personal records, see your workout history on a calendar, and watch your progress over time. Free template at the end. Let's build it. New page, workout tracker with a muscle icon. Description, show up, lift, track, repeat. That's the whole philosophy. And a call out with a reminder that matters more than any exercise science. The best workout plan is the one you actually follow. Keep it simple. Now let's build the log. 3 sections, workout log, personal records, and body stats. Let's go. First, the workout log. Every exercise from every session goes here. This is the core of the whole system, the database you'll use every time you go to the gym. First property date, when did you do this exercise? Simple but essential for tracking progress over time. Muscle group as a select. 7 options covering every major group: chest, back, shoulders, legs, arms, core, and cardio. This lets me filter my workouts by muscle group later. If I want to see every chest workout I've done in the last month, one click and it's there. Exercise as a text field, the name of what I did. Then the big 3 numbers, sets, how many rounds, reps, how many repetitions per set, and weight, how much I lifted. These 3 numbers are everything. If they go up over time, you're getting stronger. If they stay the same, you need to push harder. Push. Now a formula that does the math for you. Total volume, sets times reps times weight. This number tells you how much total work you did for that exercise. If last week your bench press volume was 3,600 and this week it's 4,000, you're progressing even if the weight didn't change. Let me create the formula. Prop sets times prop reps times prop weight. Notes for anything extra, like how the exercise felt, form cues, or if something hurt, and PR with a question mark as a checkbox. PR means personal record. I check this box when I hit a new best on an exercise. We'll use this later. Let me log a real workout. Bench press June 16th, chest. 4 sets of 8 reps at 80 kilos. The total volume formula calculated 2560 automatically. Notes, felt strong today. And PR is unchecked because 80 kilos isn't my best, just a solid working set. 1 row, 10 seconds to fill, full record of that exercise. Second squat, same day legs, 4 sets of 6 at 100 kilos, volume 2400. Depth was good. Logging form notes helps me remember what to focus on next session. Third, deadlift from 2 days ago. Back. 3 sets of 5 at 120 kilos, volume 1800. Notes say new PR, and the PR checkbox is checked because 120 is my all-time best on deadlift. That checked box is basically a tiny trophy in my database. Very motivating. Fourth, pull-ups. Back day again. 3 sets of 10, weight 0 because it's body weight. The volume formula shows 0, which is fine. Body weight exercises don't need volume tracking. I just track sets and reps for these. And fifth, running. Cardio. Sets and reps don't really apply here, so I put 1 and 1. Weight 0. The real data is in the notes. 5K in 28 minutes. For cardio, I track distance and time in the notes field instead of sets and reps. The system is flexible enough to handle both lifting and cardio without needing separate databases. Calendar view, using the date property. Now I can see my workout distribution for the month, 3 sessions last week, 2 this week so far. If I see empty days piling up, I know I'm slacking. The calendar doesn't lie. It's the most honest accountability partner you'll ever have. Section 2, personal records. This is your trophy wall. Every time you hit a new best on any exercise, it goes here. It's separate from the log because I want to see my all-time bests in one clean view. Properties, exercise name, weight, the PR amount, reps for that set, date achieved when it happened, previous best, what the old record was, and improvement, a formula that subtracts previous best from weight to show how much I gained. Prop weight minus prop previous best. That improvement number is pure motivation. First PR deadlift, 120 kilos for 5 reps, achieved June 14th. Previous best was 110, improvement 10 kilos. That plus 10 staring at me from the screen is worth more than any motivational poster. Real data, real progress. Bench press PR, 85 kilos, up 5 from 80. Squat, 1 to 10, up 5 from 105. Overhead press, 55 for 8 reps, up 5 from 50. 4 personal records, all visible in one table, all with the improvement column showing exactly how much stronger I've gotten. This is the page you open when motivation is low. Hard to feel unproductive when the numbers say otherwise. Every few weeks, I come back here and update my records. If a number hasn't changed in 2 months, I know that exercise needs more attention in my programming. Next week, I'm building a system to track every book you read and the key ideas from each one. Subscribe so you don't miss it. One more section. Last section, body stats, simple tracker for body weight and any measurements you want to follow. Just 3 properties: date, weight in kilos or pounds, and notes for context, like after a big meal or first thing in the morning. I keep this minimal because body weight fluctuates daily, and overcomplicating it leads to obsessing over numbers. 3 entries: June 1st, 78.5 kilos, June 8th, 78 even, June 15th, 77.6, all measured in the morning before eating so the comparison is consistent, down almost a kilo in 2 weeks. The trend matters more than any single number. And a reminder below, weigh yourself once a week, same time, same conditions. Ignore daily fluctuations. Only the monthly trend matters. This call out stops me from panicking when the scale jumps up 2 kilos after a big dinner. Quick calendar view on this table too. Now I can see my weigh-in dates spread across the month. Consistent weekly entries mean I'm staying accountable. Gaps mean I'm avoiding the scale, which usually means things aren't going well. That's your complete workout tracker, a log that tracks every exercise with automatic volume calculation, a personal records wall that shows your all-time bests and how much you've improved, and body stats to follow the trend without obsessing over daily numbers. All free, all customizable, no monthly subscription, no data going to some random company's server. Free template in the description. If you want to combine this with daily planning, check out my anti-procrastination planner. And if you're running a business alongside your fitness goals, the Get Paid Faster system links below too. All templates, all free or affordable, all in the description. What's your current workout split? Push-pull legs, upper lower? Tell me in the comments. And if there's a Notion system you want me to build, drop it below. Your idea might become the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.